Alright class, and the topic we are going to discuss today is polygons. Basically there are two types of polygons. One we say that regular polygons and ones which are irregular polygons. What is the difference? In regular polygon we say that they have same length and same angles. Like we say that all the gons family, right? All the polygons, especially all the gons in which we say that pentagon, hexagon, octagon, all the gons family are regular polygons. If we talk about pentagon, we know that in pentagon we have 5 sides. That means all sides are equal and all angles are equal to. So that is a regular polygon in which all the angles and all the sides are equal. Alright. While we talk about irregular polygons, so that they do not have all equal length or angles. Like some angles are same, some angles are not same. Suppose that I just draw a roughly sketch of 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6. It's a hexagon, right? But it's a irregular hexagon. Suppose that this angle is 120, this angle is 100, it's 120. So you see that not all the angles are equal. Some angles are equals, but not all the angles or all the lengths are equal. So we refer that as irregular polygons, right? So now we have a clear definition that what are regular polygons and what are irregular polygons. Now the second important part is about the working formulas that we are going to implement in this topic. First one, sum of interior angles. Its working formula is n minus 2 into 180. What is n? N is number of sides. Let's suppose that you have a triangle, right? We know that the sum of angle in a triangle is 180, but how we are going to find that? In triangle we have 3 sides, that means the value of n is 3. Working formula we had discussed that n minus 2 into 180, so 1 into 180 is equals to 180, and that's how you get the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180. So the first one is sum of all interior angles of a polygon, right? So it's n minus 2 into 180, which gives you the value of the summation of all the internal angles in a polygon. Alright, second part, second working formula. One angle of regular polygon. If you find out the value of one angle, any one angle of a regular polygon, so it's n minus 2 into 180 divided by n, because in regular polygon all sides are equal, all angles are equal. That's why we divide the whole angle divided by number of sides, so you will get the value of each individual angle. Number third, the summation of interior angle plus exterior angle is equals to 180 degree, right? The fourth one is very important, that is about number of sides. We are going to use the formula very oftenly in past papers. So number of sides is equals to 360 divided by exterior angle. Alright, so that are the basic working formula that we are going to use in the topic polygons. First write down all the working formulas. Alright, so let's suppose that we have a shape, example, we have a shape hexagon, and I need to find one angle of hexagon. Now hexagon is a shape which has 6 sides, right? So if you need to find the one angle, we had studied the working formula which says n minus 2 into 180 divided by n, because it's a regular polygon, so n minus 2 into 180 divided by n is 6, so that will be 6 minus 2, 4 into 180 divided by 6. So 4 into 180 divided by 6 gives you the value of 120 degree. That means in a regular hexagon all the angles are 120 degree. Similarly, can you do that for an octagon? Find out the one angle of octagon. The time you have is 1 minute, so start. The working formula we are going to apply is 8 minus 2 into 180 divided by 8, right? 8 minus 2, 6 into 180 divided by 8. So 6 into 180, it's 1080 divided by 8, that is 135. So the octagon has one angle of 135 degrees. Alright, that's how we are going to find the angle of each angle of a regular polygon. Moving on to the questions from the worksheet. The first one, the exterior angle of a triangle are 3y, 4y and 5y. Find y. What are the interior angles of the triangle? So in the first part you have the value of interior angles, and you need to find out the exterior angles are known, and you need to find out the interior angles. At first I need to find out the value of y. So for question number 1 I can say that if the exterior angle is 3y, we know that the working formula that interior plus exterior is equals to 180, right? So exterior is 3y, so interior will be 180 minus 3y. For second part, interior will be 180 minus 4y and 180 minus 5y. That will be very lengthy method, right? First we need to find the interior, and then we will place the formula that sum of angle in a triangle is 180. So we are going to apply the shorter method, and that is your fifth and the important formula, that sum of all exterior angles is equals to 360. Alright, so if you apply the working formula, that is always 360. So the exterior angles we have is 3y, 4y and 5y. If you add them and equate them to 360, you will get the value of y. So 3 plus 4, 9 plus 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 5, 12. 12y is equals to 360 and y is equals to 30 degrees. Alright, now you have the value of the y. After that, what are the interior angles of the triangle? So if the exterior angle is 3y, that means 3 times 30 is equals to 90. So if the exterior angle is 90, we know that interior plus exterior is equals to 180. So for this case, interior is equals to 90 as well, right? If the exterior is 4y, 4 into y, that means 4 into 30, it's 120. If exterior is 120, that means interior is 60. You need to subtract it from 180. For 5y, 5 into 30, that means 150. If the exterior is 150, that means the interior is 30, and that is your first part answer. Alright, the time for to note down the solution is 1 minute, so start copying it. A polygon has n sides. 3 of its exterior angles are 70, 35 and 15, while the remaining n minus 3 exterior angles are each equals to 50 degree. Find n. Alright, that is a question. I just copy it separately so I can start working for it. A polygon has n sides. You don't know the number of sides, but you know that its exterior angles are 70, 35, 15 and the remaining n minus 3 angles are each equals to 50. right? We know that the sum of extrude angles is 360. Now you can calculate the value of n. So 70 plus 35, that is 105, plus 15, right? So it's 120. 120 plus 50 and minus 150 equals to 360. Plus minus minus 120 minus 150, that means 30 equal to 360. Alright, so that means 360 plus 30 and divided by 50. So there is a error in a question. Basically the angle 35 is actually 25 angle, right? So instead of 35 I will write it's 25, and now it will be 110. 110 minus 150, that will be minus 40, and minus 40 when shift on the right side, so it will be 50 and is equals to 400. You can easily find the value of n. It will be very simple. 400 divided by 50, and that is 8. So that's how you find the number of sides when such type of data is given. Alright, moving on to the next question from the worksheet. Question number 3, we start from 3. It says, given that ABCDE is the regular pentagon, calculate ABC and BCA. So you need to find out the angle ABC, BC or BDE. Since it is a regular pentagon, that means all the angles are same. And to find any one angle from the regular polygon, so the working formula is n minus 2 times 180 divided by n. The value of n in our case is 5 because we are dealing with a pentagon, right? So the working formula, it will be 5 minus 2 multiplies with 180 divided by 5. You can easily find out the value. So 5 minus 2 is 3 times 180 divided by 5, it's 108. So the interior angle of a regular pentagon, it's 108. Alright, so ABCDE is a regular pentagon, ABC, BCA and BDE. So that is your first part answer, ABC. So for next part, let's suppose I draw a random pentagon. That means it must have 5 sides and 5 equal sides. So I just draw the random pentagon. Let's suppose all sides are equal and we have A, B, C, D, E. So we have the first angle, that is 108. That means this angle, and in fact all those angles are 108, right? After that it says find the angle BCA. So first I will draw the line from C to A, and the angle I need to find out is this angle X. This angle and this angle are same because both of the sides are same. We have the angle B. So I can apply the condition that X plus angle B is 108 is equals to 180, right? So that will be 180 minus 108 and divided by 2. So the answer of X, or the angle BCE, is 36 degree, right? These two angles are also 108. All angles are equal. The next part, it says angle BDE. Now if I draw the line from B to D and to E, what should be the value of this angle? So I grabbed the picture from the internet. So for better understanding, ABCDE, we have the value of the interior angle, it's 108. So all angles are 108, right? We had find the second part. Now we are going to work for the third part, which states BDE. So now it will be BDE, right? So that angle you need to find out. Basically, if I say that this angle is Y, so the angle Y will be that angle as well, with the concept of alternate angle, and I can find out the value of Y easily by subtracting the interior angle from 180 and that is equals to 72. So the angle of BDE is equals to 72 degrees. Alright, so moving on to the next part, next question. Question number 4, you need to do it by yourself, and I'm going to start from question number 5. Question number 4 is similar to question number 3. AB, BC and CD are adjacent sides of a regular polygon. Given that CAB is 18, calculate an exterior angle of a polygon. We know that for first part, exterior angle interior plus exterior is equals to 180 degree. If you have an interior angle of 18, not 18 exactly, because 18 is a part of the angle A. For interior angle, you need to find that angle B. And how you are going to find that? If this is angle 18, so that will angle 18 too, because these two sides are equal. So for angle B, I can use the equation that 18 plus angle B is equals to 180, since it is a triangle. So 180 minus 36, it's 144. So angle B is equals to 144, and that is the interior angle. You can find the exterior from the interior, so it will be exterior is equals to 180, and that is equals to 36. So exterior angle is equals to 36 degree, and that is your first part answer. Alright, for part B, it says the number of sides. The number of sides is basically what? It's 360 divided by exterior angle. You have the value of exterior angle and it's 10, so that means the polygons had 36 sides. And now you need to find out the angle ACD. By ACD, it means that A, this angle, right? It's very simple. Since it's a regular polygon, so the interior angle is same, and that is 144, right? So angle C completely, it's 144, and the green part, that is very simple for part C, ACD is equals to, total angle is 144 and the smaller part is 18. So 144 minus 18, it's 126, that is the angle ACD. Moving on to the next question from the worksheet. It's question number 6. The question says, in the diagram ABCDE is a regular pentagon, right? Calculate BAE. So we had done such type of question in the previous part. So you need to do it by yourself first, and for that purpose you have a time of 1 minute for start. The same working formula, that n minus 2 into 180 divided by n, you can find the one angle of a regular pentagon. Alright, so that will be easy. For first part, since it's a pentagon, so we will use formula n minus 2 into 180 divided by n, which gives you the value of 108 degree, as we had done it in the previous part. So that is angle BAE 108. For ABE, that means this angle, right? how you are going to find this angle, you need to give it a try first and then I will start. Done? To find that angle, we know that these two angles are same. If this angle is A, then this angle is also A because it's a regular pentagon, all sides are equal. So it will be A plus angle A, that is 108, is equals to 180. 180 minus 108, that is 72, and 72 divided by 2, that is 36. Second part answer. For third part, EBD. At first we need to highlight the angle EBD. So how you are going to find that angle, you need to give it a try by yourself first and then I will explain. So start. Alright. Now we can find out the angle E first. How? That total angle of E, it's 108. If you subtract A from 8, so that means 108 minus A is 36, it will be 72, right? On your diagram the angle E, smaller one, is 72, right? Second thing, EBD. Second thing, length BE and length BD are equal with the same logic of regular pentagon. That means this angle is also 72. So 72 plus 72, subtract from 180, angle EBD is equals to 36 degrees, right? It is a triangle and we know that the sum of angle in a triangle is 180. So the final answer is EBD. Explain why BE is parallel to CD. Now if BE and CD are parallel, that means if this angle is 36, this angle must be 36 as well. How can you verify? The total angle we have, it's 108. So if you subtract 72 from 108, that angle, red one, it will be 36, right? So you need to explain. So you can say that EBD is equals to CDB is equals to 36 degree, right? Angles are equal, it means lines are parallel. So that is your reason for alternate angles. All right. After that, moving on to the next question. Now the last two are the past paper questions, right? This one is also the past paper question. The question states that AB and BC are adjacent sides of a regular polygon. The important word is regular polygon. That means all sides and angles are equal. ABC is 40, that is your point A, B, C, and that is your point D, right? Calculate the number of sides of the polygon. So for first part you need to do it by yourself. Keep in mind that for number of sides exterior angle must be known. The time for this question is 1.5 minutes, so start. Alright, done. So first thing, we have the interior angle 140, right? So I'm going to apply the working formula. Interior plus exterior is equals to 180, right? Interior is 140 plus exterior, what I'm looking for, is equals to 180. So exterior angle I have, that is 40, right? After the exterior angle, we know that to find the number of sides, the working formula is 360 divided by exterior angle. That means 360 divided by 40, and the number of sides this polygon has is a 9-sided polygon. So that is your first part answer. For next part B, it says CB and BD are adjacent side of a congruent regular polygon. Congruent means all sides and angles are same. Calculate ABD. What you need to find is this angle. And by congruent regular polygon, it means that this angle here is also a 140 angle. You need to find out the red part, and that is an easy question. So 40 seconds is quite enough. So start. Done? So that is very easy. You need to subtract 140 and 140 from 360. So I can say that, let's suppose this angle is C. So I can say that C plus 140 plus 140 is equals to 360. So 360 minus 140 minus 140, it's 80. So the angle ACD is 80 degree, and that is your answer. Alright class, so I think that is enough for today class. We had done the whole topic of polygons. make sure that you remember the working formulas and the techniques that I have shared in the lecture. Alright, so inshallah next class we are going to start a new topic. So see you next class. Take care and Allah Hafiz.